resonates through the armed forces even today. So on behalf of the Kuvar Yogi Memorial Trust, founded in the memory of my grandfather, the warrior poet, Group Captain Randhir Singh, I wish to thank you. Thank you for your bravery, where you can stare evil in the eye and not flinch. Thank you for the steadfastness of your conviction that resonates across the nation when we salute the tricolour, and the brotherhood transcending colour, religion, caste and creed that exemplifies an India we should all aspire for. Thank you for being the beacon of service, come war or nature's wrath, inspiring us to be better than what we are and pursue higher ideals for the nation. In Hindu mythology, the great sage Dadichi sacrificed his life so the Devas could forge a weapon to defeat the Asuras. The Vajra crafted from his bones now adorns the Paramveer Chakra, the highest gallantry honor in the country. The bones of the countless braves who have died defending India have turned to dust, yet their spirits are immortal, binding this great nation, hoisting the sun for a better and brighter tomorrow. We at the Kuvar Yogi Memorial Trust salute you and honor you with the power of art, and it is our mission to inculcate and give a stage to that power of expression to the youth of the nation. As a tribute to the spirit of the undying warrior, I would like to recite a poem I have written titled May the Valley Hear Me Roar from my book Silent Sun. It goes something like this. I am armed, I am ready, I am guided by my duty. No masks to hide who I am. I tear through the smoke and chaos. I challenge you to test my mettle. Hear me, boy, I am immortal. You scamper and hide in these dark alleys. To ash you turn my beautiful valley. You strike from the sanctuary of crowds, false prophets and death dealers in your head. I may fall beneath the stones you hurl, but hear me, boy, I am immortal. I am a soldier of the tricolour. I walk proudly wrapped in the banner. I am bound to this land, same as you, but I am ready to die protecting even the likes of you. Under your blows, I will not buckle. Hear me, boy, I am immortal. Call your crusade whatever you like. Follow whichever devil you may find. You are an abated captive of a poisonous thought, and you didn't even put up a fight. I am here to protect what is ours, but I will not settle. Hear me, boy, I am immortal. If my words fail, if fury still blurs your vision, meet me face to face on an open field. Let us test our conviction. I am the will of a billion hearts, and when the dust settles after our brief battle, I shall tower above you, and you shall see, boy, I am immortal. Thank you. Now to the highlight of the evening. Sanchita Abrol, a celebrated Kathak dancer, a daughter of Jammu and Kashmir, and one of the prime artists of the Kuvar Yogi Memorial Trust, would also like to pay tribute to you, brave warriors, presenting Priyutsu, a tale of unsung heroes. The term Priyutsu means Yodha. And this dance drama has been developed by her to honor the warriors who defend our nation, inspired by the poetry of Kuvar Yogi. Sanchita is the disciple of Padam Shri Shomnas Narayanji. She has represented India on the international stage and at cultural summits around the world, and has even performed at the Commonwealth Games. She serves also as a policy officer for Save the Children in Melbourne. A talented artist and the recipient of the Prem Jambal Innovation in Art Award. Without any further ado, Priyutsu, a tale of unsung heroes by Sanchita Abrol. Thank you.
आशाओं का दीप जला तो देश बना मंदिर। इंद्रधनुष के झूले ने है चित्रित किया अंबर। इसका बनना वायु में जलकण पर है निर्भर। इसी तरह जीवन में करना बरसे देश प्रेम फुहार। फीका फीका लगने लगता महलों जैसा घर। महलों जैसा घर, महलों जैसा घर। चुंदियाने वाली लौ जरा सी ले ले, दे अपने अंधियारे तन को झिलमिल करता घर। सुंदर सा लिबास पहन ले, रंग ले तू वस्त्र, दे अपने अंधियारे तन को झिलमिल करता घर।
क्यों इन तारों को उलझाते, अनजाने ही प्राणों में क्यों आ आकर फिर जाते। पल में रागों को झिंकृत कर फिर विराग का अद्भुत स्वर भर, मेरी लघु जीवन वीणा पर क्या यह अद्भुत गाते। लय में मेरा चिर करुणाधन, कंपन में सपनों का स्पंदन, गीतों में भर चिर सुख चिर दुख, कण कण में बिखराते। मेरे शैशव के मधु में गुल, मेरे यौवन के मद में ढुल, मेरे आंसू स्मित में हिलमिल, मेरे क्यों ना कहाते, मेरे क्यों ना कहाते।
ओ दिल